misinformed.
Hey, Hercules.
Yeah, what's up?
Not much. All right, see you later.
Not that, but...
How did Hercules get his name?
Well, I heard that a long time ago, when Baldy was out on the creek stomp, he found baby Hercules.
Wham, baby!
And he took him back to camp. That night, a glass of water was accidentally left out in the Red Moon. And that water was magically turned into a powerful drink of the gods. When he drank it, he grew directly into a man.
I have superpowers now!
What Hercules didn't realize at that point was that he had accidentally knocked over what was left of the drink. He could drink by any creature that came back. The lizard then turned into a powerful creature.
Isn't that a Hydra?
Probably. Hercules then rushed into battle,
Hail Hydra.
trying to Hydra. But each time he took a swing, 2 more heads grew back in the place of the first. He quickly searched for the heaviest thing he could find. So naturally, he went to cabin 13 to get the girl's luggage. He then asked the creature, "No, not the curling iron!" Baldy then came out.
By the power, Neil, son. By the power invested in me, by the pool, Gaga pit, and campfire, I dub thee Hercules. Stand.
Are you certain that he didn't just get his name?
Nah, that'd be crazy.
You can surprisingly juicy stories.